Literally no cons. No cons at all.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit. This is from their 360 collection. I'm bringing it in the style Marisa in the color number DRFF2/vanilla chocolate. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do your typical cap construction as far as your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. This one does also come with an elastic band, lace all the way around the perimeter, 13x6 parting space, HD lace. It's pre-plucked and it does come with baby hairs as well. This one is 24 inches like it lists on the stock card. So this one is a human hair blend, which I definitely do notice with the quality of it. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. One thing I did notice about this unit is the lace on it is super good. It's super thin, so I feel like I would not want to wear a cap with this at all. As you can see, my cap is peeking through right there, but the lace quality is super good. The hair quality is super good. The texture on it is amazing, you guys. It's definitely Yaki vibes. This is reminding me of the Sensational Kiari, but I feel like this one is much better than that. I know the price point is higher, but I feel like the quality itself of the hair is definitely much better. You can definitely tell that it is a blend because it's not giving like cheap crappy synthetic vibes, if that makes sense. The quality of it just feels really good. I did definitely notice some snags and I did definitely notice some shedding, but nothing too crazy. The length is nice. The density is perfect. This is all the hair to the front and the density is at least 150%. It's like a good density, especially for somebody who likes thicker hair. So it's not too much hair, but it's not super thin either. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. Literally no cons at all. The pros I have on this unit are the construction of it, the color, the texture is amazing, these layers that it has going on, and also the fact that the cap size is small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. The lace does go ear to ear and it does come with sideburns. But I do think if your head is on the larger size, that will be the only issue for you. But other than that, there is kind of some stretch going on in the cap, so I feel like it's not too bad when it comes to that. But as a whole, this one is amazing. Definitely will be picking up again. In my opinion, it is pricier, but I feel like it's worth the price based on the quality of the unit. I feel like this is going to be a good go-to everyday simple throw on and go unit. But that's pretty much all I would say. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors I need. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.